I will leave a parts list in the description. This was built completely free. All parts that you see minus the bed sheet was found at the beach. All you have to do is cut the end on the right and left of the bed sheet and then one directly in the center as shown so that you can slide the fiberglass pole through it. I will leave in the description what type of knot I use to fasten the line to the fiberglass pole. It's important to use a specific type of knot because it needs to be able to tighten up on the fiberglass pole, because if it does not, the sheet's going to want to shift to the right and left